Okay, so these are my 5 things that worth my money, Trentahed edition. First one is health. Health card, HMO, ganyan. Kasi napaka-importante na updated tayo sa health natin, guys. We're not getting any younger. Pangalawa, travel. Yes, ever since travel and experience, gawin nyo na kasi sumasakit ng mga tuhod natin. So, let's explore. Okay, third, quality essentials. Yung mga comfortable shoes, durable bag, good mattress, mga ergonomic chair. Ma-appreciate nyo na sila guys by your certain age. And fourth, learning new skills. So recently, I just enrolled to a photography course kasi that's my passion. And of course, pwede naman din books, workshops, ganon, attend some workshops. And my fifth is peace of mind, like yung mga savings app, insurance, emergency fund, quiet and slow mornings, guys. Very, 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 very important to me. That's all.